Again, our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today, yes, it's weekend. In the weekend edition of March the 16th, 2024, we have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku and this one, the Samurai Sudoku. This one, the Samurai Sudoku, I will solve Sunday evening. But let me solve this Medium Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also a puzzle page and an additional with extra puzzles. In the puzzle page, we have six puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, and tomorrow afternoon I will solve 4 puzzles in the additional, and in the evening the Samurai Sudoku. Alright, this one I will start the Medium Sudoku number 8201, and before I start I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 star Sudoku. In the additional, it will be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? Well, we have here, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 9, the 2, and the 4. We have 9, 2, and the 4 in the last column, so no 9, 2, and the 4 in these 2 boxes. The 9, 2, and the 4 goes in those 3 boxes. 9, 2, and the 4, 9, 2, and the 4, 9, 2, and the 4. Well, we have a 4 here, so the 4 could be here, could be there. The 2, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the 9 could be everywhere. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing, the 4. And the 5 is missing, 4 and 5, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have 3 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 178. 178, 178, 178, 17 and the 8. Okay, cannot fill this yet. How about the 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And then, let me see. 6, 6, alright. 6, 6. Need a 7, 7. Right. 5, 5. 3. 3, 3. 3. 7. I need a 9 here. 8, 6, 4. Need a 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square here. We have 1, 7, 8. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 9 and the 4. We have 9 and a 4 in this first row, so no 9 and 4 in these 2 boxes. 9 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. Okay, 178, 178. Well, we have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 in the first row should be there. So the 1 and the 8 are left. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the first row for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2 and a 3, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 5, 5, okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. So we have a pair, the 1 and a 5 in this column, the 1 and a 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, there are only 2 places left for the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright, so 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have 2 and 8 in this column, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, and 8 is, no, 8, the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 9 and a 4, we have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so what are these 3 missing numbers? The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column, so in the first column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 in the row above, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. Need a 3 here, okay. Need an 8 there. 8, 9, 2. 8, 9, 2. Alright, need a 4 here. How about this 1 box left in this column for number the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing here. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 9 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 in this row. Oh, no. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes. Well, one of these 3 boxes. Well. Let me think. These 3 missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this big square. No 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. The 4 could be here. Cannot be here. Could be there. And we need no 9 here. We have a 9 there. 9, 2, 4. Okay. So 1 digit that is left. 4, 7, and a 5. We need a 5 here. Well, we have a 5 in this big square. No 5 there. So the 5 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 4. So 2 numbers left. The 9 and the 2. 9 and the 2. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. Then, let me see, 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, the 6, the 7, and 8. 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 9 goes there. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Alright, okay. 2 numbers left in the first column, 4 numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row only, to place level 8 should be here or there, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle row, 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there, 7 and a 5, we have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle, a set column, only place level of 5. Should be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row below, above, the only two place level 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing here. 1 box left in this big square, I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Final 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1 and 2, 3 is missing, the 4, 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 11 minutes. Well, cannot believe this. Faster than 50 minutes. Should be at 0 stars. Faster than 30 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with other puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye bye for now.